Welcome once again to What's New at O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Menards, MTH trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced the upcoming release of its 2024 Volume 2 catalog. Look for a special episode on this channel with an in-depth look at this new catalog once it has been released. Menards has expanded its standard O tubular track offerings. First, new O72 turnouts are available on a limited basis. Menards is hoping to receive customer feedback on these first limited issues, much as they did with their Beta FP7 series, in order to perfect future editions. Therefore, initial orders are limited to one right-hand and one left-hand turnout per customer. These turnouts are designed to be very user-friendly, with a minimum of customer wiring required. The turnouts operate on track power, and the non-derailing feature is pre-wired, eliminating the need for insulated track pins. The turnout features a plug-and-play remote, so no wiring to terminal posts is required. The remote comes with a 3-foot cord, and a 6-foot turnout extension cord is also included. These turnouts are compatible with all standard O tubular track systems, including those made by Lionel, K-Line Williams, and even pre-war American Flyer 3-rail O-Gauge track. These turnouts are currently priced at $59.99 each before rebates. Menards has also added new 5-inch street track sections with lighted LED bumpers to its track lineup. These bumpers come in pairs, and the lights are pre-wired for track power. These bumpers, like the turnouts, are compatible with any standard O tubular track system, and they are currently priced at $7.99 a pair before rebates. Menards track line also includes Lionel Fast Track to O tubular transition sections, as well as a variety of straight and curved sections. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Alco PA diesel locomotive in Cuyahoga Valley colors for Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 24, and it can be paired with upcoming Cuyahoga Valley Streamlined passenger cars from Stockyard Express. The early order price for the PA diesel is $389.95. No artwork is yet available for the passenger cars, but the matching 4-car 60-foot streamlined car set is priced at $319.95, and a 2-car Vista Dome set is priced at $157.95. Follow the links in the video description for more details. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in Minneapolis and St. Louis colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. These scale-length cars will be offered in 2 numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in November 2024. The early order price is $80.95 each, plus freight. And dress right for your next railfan adventure with these new railroad-themed shirts, hats, and more, including a new design for Union Pacific Big Boy number 4014 from Daylight Sales. All Daylight Sales products are officially licensed and are printed and embroidered in their own California facility. Follow the link in the video description for more information. And of course, remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And as a programming note, through the rest of July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 192 is scheduled for publishing on July 20th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New at O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.